Well, 10 years with the old Raptor SD60, and it's time to put a belt on after 10 years. As we always say, MaxsGarajMahal, run them like you stole them, fix them if you break them. Time to fix them. Alright, so after 10 years, there are no broken bolts, there's no loose bolts, and the reason for that is we tighten them. There are no broken brackets, no cracked brackets. The battery tray is good. Pull the battery out to show you. So we're going to run through it real quick just to let you see what they look like after 10 years. And this is the average Hustler Raptor SD, not the one that you have that broke the brackets. So keep your bolts tight, run them like you stole them. So here we go. Alright, first let's do the battery tray. As you can see down there in the corners, there are absolutely no cracks in the brackets. Alright, let's go to the wheel motors. And let me get here on the stool. There are no cracks. There are no bends. And as you can see, it still has all the original bolts. And brackets are all intact. Does have the clutch guard on it, and that has been somewhat of a help. It does have the upgrade. This got installed, I think, in 2017 when they first come out. Maybe it's, yeah, I think it's 2017. And I'm going to give credit to Josh Duke down at Cabot Moore and BB Moore's. I'll put the real name of his place in the description below. And everything is original in this mower. And as you can see right here, here's the reason why we got this thing apart today. Is this 10-year-old belt finally gave up, and that's because I run it like I stole it. And I always give this thing wheelie sticks, which means they go forward as fast as they can. And if I can get a wheelie out of it, more power to it. But again, brackets are intact, bolts are original, bolts are tight. Hello. So here we go. Now I installed this aftermarket hose, drain hose, and it's leaked ever since it's been on here. So it's time to clean this all up, take this off, and put an O-ring on there. So I'll show you that when I get done, but we're going to go ahead and do some maintenance on this thing, and when I get this done, we'll come back. Now I bought a set of brackets, and I may put them on just for video. Other than that, looks like that's the update. So anyway, we'll come back to you later. Thank you for watching.